So today we are discussing about what is SEO Reddit and how to learn SEO Reddit. This is basically the front page of the internet in which you are going to discuss that how the things are going to be performed and what kind of the activities you can do in SEO Reddit so that the social media marketing of your website go very well. So now what is Reddit? A glossary of terms. Let me discuss about it. uh, the term that you need to understand when talking about Reddit and using it as a part of your strategy. So basically the main strategies and the term you need to understand as a part of the Reddit SEO strategies. First of all, what is subreddit? Usually refer to a slash r and the name you are searching for, and the subreddit are either a private or public communities. You public and private communities, there is a basic difference. In public communities you can go and anyone can go and discuss about them, and in a private you can't go until unless the owner of that subreddit allows you to participate. So these is basically subreddit. Now let's discuss about upvotes and downvotes. Reddit has a voting system where you can either upvote or downvote a post of comment and content, with the highest sum of upvotes means downvotes ranks higher on the page. So upvotes count your like, downvote count content you dislike. Basically basic on this is a basic and simple thing you need to understand, that upvotes considered as a like, and in Reddit you have an option of downvotes in which you can consider it as a dislike, and you can the content which most of the upvotes will be considered as a good content and will remain and rank higher as well. Now let's discuss about karma. Simply, karma is the sum of the upvotes and downvotes, but there is two different types of karma on Reddit. Comment karma, where user upvote or downvote the comments, and a link karma, where links are clicked. So if you want to build a strong Reddit, then you must have a good link karma and comment karma, because this is considered as the best part, and as a user on Reddit you will get a great benefit from these karmas. So now what is OP, original post? As it says on it, the theme, this is the author who started a post or comment. It's basically the author, and the post comment or post sharing or comment person is considered as the original poster. Now let's discuss about rules. One of the best part about rules, it is not a same for each subreddit. Each subreddit has its own rules and regulation, and you can follow according to them. It's not that one rule is implies to all the subreddits and on the all users, but these rules are based on subreddit, and each subreddit has its own defined rules, and user can understand and expect them to adhere to. Now let's discuss about what is self promotion. This is when you are blatantly sharing your content links with the sole purpose of promotion. You should be using Reddit to add value, not self promote. Yes, there is a lot of differentiation and self promotion and add value. If you have a good content, you can share them into your subreddit, and you can earn a great link and comment from them, as well as your profile will be considered as good. Now redditors, basically the redditors are those who are Reddit contributors who are participating in Reddit and who are performing different activities on Reddit communities. Now let's discuss about Reddits. First we have discussed about their rules and regulation and subreddits. Now what is Reddit itself? If you don't know what is Reddit, you have been missing out of the last few years. Reddit is in many ways a huge collection of discussion forum on pretty much any topic that you could care to think about. In fact, Reddit is the sixth most popular website in the USA, the 20th to the globally, and has more than 430 million active users. That is as many as user Twitter, but what is the key? That the platform has higher engagement rate. Now you see why you can't ignore it as a marketer. Reddit is home to over a million different communities known as subreddits, with some of the most popular being funny, largest human diversity ask Reddit a place to answer through provoking questions and gaming subreddit for almost anything related to game, video games, board game, card games, etc. But not sports game. These are the basically famous Reddit subreddit, but there is also millions of other subreddits as well. Now let's discuss about the front page of internet. Reddit defines itself as being the front page of internet. That is pretty accurate definition because the most of the upvoted content from across the subreddits gains popularity and it's placed on the front page each day. As you would expect, this generates a phenomenal amount of visibility, not just the post but also to your website. So they are not just they are themselves are the considered in the front page of internet, but there is a lot of different things and activities they are performing on them because the population, if we discuss about that, the at least the 75% of the population using Reddit is belong to men. Yes, the number of the population of women is not a large number, but it is still is 25% because the main reason of that that Reddit has more men as compared to women is because it is promoting a lot of category related to the men's, not related to the women. So that's why it's not very popular in the community of the women, but it is increasing its popularity as well with the women by separating different categories related to the and shopping and different things related to the woman. So if we discuss that the front page of Reddit is important, then SEO Reddit is must consider to be one of the best part. And if you can focus on that, and you can get a huge promotion from SEO Reddit. But you have to make sure that once you start and getting the SEO Reddit, you have to make sure that you are promoting yourself in the best subreddits that are related to you, and as well as they are getting a huge amount of upwards and downwards from that. So if you focus on them, you will be able to get the best upwards, and that will dramatically increase the performance of your website promotion, yourself as well. So if you have missed the part in promoting yourself from Reddit, then you have a great opportunity to learn from this video, and you can get a huge amount of visitor from Reddit towards your own website, and you can promote yourself as well. So we will say that if you have still didn't visit the Reddit, or you didn't have created your account on Reddit, and don't, if you have all these but you don't know SEO Reddit, and then we will discuss that in that video, that how you can do SEO Reddit, how you can learn SEO Reddit, and how you can make a great impact in Reddit as well as in subreddit, and also generate a huge amount of traffic and get a great promotion for yourself as well.